Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can customize your PC's taskbar. It's very much simple and easy. I'm going to walk you through every procedure you need to know and everything you need to know. So in this I'm going to show you how to minimize the size, how to change the position of your taskbar. You can see normally it's down here. I'm going to show you how you can bring it here or even on top here. I'm going to show you how you can remove all these buttons, and then the news and everything you get here. I'm going to show you how you can remove all that. So now let's come on here. Let's move to our taskbar here, and now let's right click and let's move to settings. Good, and you can see all this here, so you can lock it. So I'm turning it off here. So now let me come to my desktop. You can see it here. It is not going to hide. It's there. So now let me turn it on here, and now let me come here. You're going to see that it's going to vanish when I'm not using it automatically. That's it. And now on here too, you can hide it on your tablet mode, which I'm not using. Then you can make your taskbar button small. Look at it here. It's now very small. Now let me turn it on. You can see it's big now. And then you can customize the position, so you can see it on top here. Let me bring it to left. You can see it here now. Let me bring it to right. It will be here now, and then the default setting, which is bottom, which is always here. But then I've been using Mac my whole life, so I think it should be on top for me to feel okay. And you can always hide the labels here. You can hide them. But then let me hide it. I don't want to make it appear, else I'm going to see a lot of things here. And now the news and interest here. Sometimes when you are connected on the internet and you're using Edge, you'll be getting weather news and a lot of things here. You can see some is here. I'm not having data. Once I connect my data connection, they're going to give me a lot of news there. So you can choose this to turn it off. You're not going to see anything. You see it's gone here. So in this case, even if you connect on the internet, you're not going to get a lot of news on locations and blah blah blah. And now let me come here. Let me take you guys here. Good. So here you can, customize the number of stuff you want them to appear on here. You can see this is very much limited. So now let me remove the microphone, and you can see there is no microphone here. So let me turn on VLC. You can see it will be added here. And now let me turn it off here, something like that. Let me turn it on, sorry. And you can see a lot of stuff here. Let me turn it off, and then let me let only these things be appearing here. So that's it on how you can customize your taskbar. Very much simple and easy. You can add a lot of stuff. You can minimize it. You can remove a lot here. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.